how to connect HP LaserJet P1102 printer to laptop. In this video, I'll show you how to connect HP LaserJet P1102 printer to laptop. So to connect and install your HP LaserJet P1102 printer to a laptop, what you can do is first go ahead and connect the printer to your laptop via USB temporarily. Now download and run the wireless setup utility from HP's wireless setup guide. So you can actually connect your printer wirelessly by connecting first your printer to the internet where you're currently connected to. And then make sure that that internet where your printer is connected to your laptop as well. So go ahead and search for printers on your laptop and then make sure that your printer is discoverable. So once it is discoverable, click on this add a device button and then you'll be able to find all of the available devices near you. So you can also add a new device manually, but if your laptop has found that printer into the section, simply click on that printer and then send a connection invitation to that printer. So make sure to confirm the connection between your printer and your laptop on your printer and on your laptop, and then after that you'll be able to use HP LaserJet P1102 printer connected to your laptop. And that is how you can basically connect HP LaserJet P1102 printer to laptop.